Hello viewers, welcome to Android Kotlin tutorial. Today I will show how to run Hello World app in Android by Kotlin. So at first go to the Android Studio file and click the new project, and here is the name of application, Kotlin Android Kotlin Hello World app. Here is the package name, and here is the you will check button include Kotlin support. Click the check mark include Kotlin support, then click the next, and here is the default setting and click the next. And now we will get the empty activity, click next and finish. So creating Android Kotlin Hello World app. Kotlin Hello World app project already created. Here is the project structure. Here is the manifest file, and here is the Java package, and here is the main activity. Here is the Kotlin main activity. Here is the Gradle file, Gradle module. Here is the Kotlin all plugin, com.android application, apply plugin Kotlin Android, and apply plugin Kotlin Android extension. So now here is the activity, and activity layout is activity main, Kotlin Hello World app. Now we will run Kotlin project. Our APK file is installing. It takes few seconds. Here is the Kotlin Android Hello World app, the basic app of Android Kotlin. Thank you.